All right, what we got here is the Inateck portable barcode scanner. I almost said Bluetooth barcode scanner, but it's actually so much more than that. It is a Bluetooth barcode scanner, but you can actually also use this USB dongle if you'd like, if I can get it out of the plastic here. So you can plug this right into your computer and it's going to pair up with that. You can, like I said, use this as a Bluetooth barcode scanner, which means that it's going to pair with your iPad or your telephone. Telephone. So I think I'm going to try and do a little demonstration here if I can. If I can move this up. And I'm going to put this in here. And you can see the cursor's up here. Maybe you can't see that. Okay, there, now it's up there. I'm just going to try and scan. There you go. Scan that barcode. Now, I didn't even try that ahead of time, so that's how easy it is. I just stuck the USB in there, scanned a barcode, and there it goes. It scans it right up there. And I could do that all day. Of course, there is a little instruction on how to pair this through Bluetooth. It does charge with USB-C, and it's a long-lasting battery. It's going to last you most of the day, if not all of it. You could just plug it back in. Of course, since it's USB-C, you could also plug this into an external battery. So all in all, if you're looking for a nice, portable, lightweight, bring it everywhere type of Bluetooth barcode scanner, the Inateck here is going to be a great choice.